Bonjour, mes amis. I'm Bernardi the Demon Fairy Snail. Welcome back. In this episode, we discuss a comic I read the week of Wednesday, January 9, 2019. Yay! And remember, when I say munch it, it's good, but when I slime it, it's bad. Okie dokie, let's get started. Justice League, Volume 4, Issue 15, from DC Comics. We finally get some answers to the mysteries of Thanagar Prime, courtesy of the old Martian Keeper lady, as John Stewart, Martian Manhunter, and Hawkgirl continue their nigh-impossible escape from Hawk World. Special guest stars, Kilowog, and the rest of the Green Lantern Corps. The Martian Keeper's revelations did not disappoint, they were so cool. Basically, they boil down to the broken source wall causing Nth Metal to become more powerful than normal, allowing Nth Metal to make a person's memories real. So, Thanagar Prime is a living memory. And just like I mentioned last time, they even acknowledge how Thanagar was destroying Hawkman's solar series, and how impossible it is for Thanagar Prime to exist. However, that was not even the biggest reveal of all. The Martian Keeper revealed to Martian Manhunter that the multiverse they live in was not the first, that there were other multiverses that came before. This was clearly something for readers to connect back to the events of Flashpoint, to Dr. Manhattan changing things, and to 1985's Crisis on Infinite Earths. What puzzled me was the mention of a female creator of the multiverse named Perpetua, as revealed by Starman back on Earth. Apparently, Perpetua's return will cause trouble for everyone. I have never heard of Perpetua in all my years reading comics. My working theory is that Perpetua might be the embodiment of Hypertime, a super meta concept in DC Comics that represents how we, the readers, have experienced comic book continuity the last 80 years in real life. And how, despite all the reboots and retcons, what already happened in the past still happened for us. I loved this issue. It was very entertaining and felt very rewarding. I can see how down the line this might connect to Doomsday Clock. And I'm looking forward to it. And I'm so excited for next issue. Final verdict. Munch it! Yay! Hehe. Thank you so much for watching. Join us next time. Oh, and by the way, I didn't forget. My Q&A video is coming up soon. I just had some delays in production, that's all. Thank you everyone who submitted questions for me to answer. And see you next time. Au revoir.